About 10th by 7th class students.
Welcome to the 10th cave. Here, everyone speaks about time. Watch how they use the past, present, future tenses correctly.
Hello, yesterday I visited this cave with my friends. I ate pizza and drank cold coffee.
Thank you. You're talking about past tense because it's something you already did.
Hi, I am sitting here right now. I want a sandwich and a hot tea.
You are using present tense because it's something doing it now.
Tomorrow, if you visit this cave again, I will try the new pasta dish.
Perfect. That's a future tense because it's something you plan to do later. Let's hear everyone's sentences once again.
Past, I visited this cave yesterday.
Present. I am sitting here right now.
Future, I will visit this cave tomorrow.